Good afternoon, everyone. It is 3:36 p.m. Eastern Time, September 22nd, 2025. And what do we got? What do we got here? Did a bunch of trading today. I'm going to take a short right here. I'm going to retract that. It was too slow. Take it now. Now I'm taking it. Should be a pretty small scalp. I'm thinking maybe a point or two. Giving up liquidity at 53. Let's see. That's where I got in. At 52.50, I'm thinking we're looking good. We'll see if they stay up. They're starting to give it up a little bit here. We'll see. A huge buyer here. Big buyer here. Gonna go two right there. Huge seller. Huge buyer. Got some buying coming in right here. They're pulling a bunch as well. Gotta get below 52.75, which is right here. I take that short right there. Got a lot of selling. Looks pretty good. 73.75 was my entry at the beginning. Started coming up. Got a little stopped out there. I think we're going to be okay here. We'll see how we do. It's looking pretty good here. Looks like we could probably come down another 2 ticks or so, at least to my first target. We don't need to be it's pretty decent. It's a decent move. A nice trade there. 5 minutes on the video. You take a loss and you still have the order flows still going your way. Sometimes the timing is off. Doesn't mean you sulk and not, continue on. I mean, right? Don't let it beat you up. If you take a loss, it's part of trading. If you can't take a loss, don't trade. I said it a lot. It's the truth. If you're afraid of taking trades, there's one or two things that are happening here. You're trading too much, or you're using scared money. And when I say that, you're using money that you can't afford to lose. All right. When you trade money you could afford to lose. All right. And that's the truth. Sometimes the truth hurts, but you're gonna think back and say, hey, can I afford to lose this money? All right. You say, yeah, I can afford it. My bills are paid. I can afford to lose the stop, at least what the stop is. And then, you make that decision. All right. It's hard work. This is not easy stuff. Not easy stuff. A lot of folks, they learn wrong as well. You know, change their setups, take advice from the wrong people. It's terrible. So 71.25. See if we get back to 73 even. That'll be the next trade. If it doesn't come to 73 even, I will shut this down. I'm going to go short of 73 even. I'm thinking the momentum will still take us down a little bit. We'll see. I could be wrong. They pulled it there. See if they start pulling 42, 40, 66. They added here. They added here. They added here. They're adding here. They're adding big here, actually, at 73, 75. Well, they added a ton at 73.50, on the offer. They're just adding it now. So maybe get down to 51. They're reloading over here. Let's see if we got, let's just get us, let's just do a one-to-one right here. We can afford to take a little loss. It shouldn't be that bad, but we're going to go ahead and try to manage this the best we can. It looks like we're going to lose this bid here. So we're going to come down here one. There you go. Got it. All right, that's it. 9:46 p.m. I got 10 minutes on this video. If you like this kind of content, please like, subscribe, share, comment. If you comment, I will get back to you. I also run a Discord, a free Discord, a free, a bunch of categories in there. It's starting to gain a little bit of momentum now, and I also a free chat, member chat. So basically, you become a member, answer a couple of questions, you become a user, and then you become what's called member status, and you have access to the voice chat. I also have a monthly subscription, where you get other videos and stuff like that on different types of setups. You get Quantower templates that I use here. Um, you get your own chat room with the other subscribers, your own text chat, voice chat, trading room. And I frequent the trading room uh, as well. And I'm going to start doing live, share my screen out, probably from 9:30 to 10:30 in the daytime. Just let me know if that's what you want. All right. Just want to try to add a little value, try to get you guys, the serious traders, um, involved that want to learn how to do order flow. That's the best I could do. So I could mentor. Uh, we could talk about the mentoring. It's, you have to be a member of the monthly to be able to utilize the mentorship. So that's about it. Anyway, I appreciate it. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.